Welcome guys, welcome to my review. This is a knife review. SKU 32574. This time we're reviewing a Benchmade. That's not really the brand. That's just a box. Alright, now what I gotta tell you guys is this is a knockoff version. Oh, look at that, wounded. I just got myself. Safety number one, kids. Don't cut yourself with your own knife. Alright, so we got there. This is from DealExtreme. I think I didn't unbox this before, so here's the review. Just trying to place it. I'm looking at the screen while doing this. So the name on DealExtreme is Mini Steel Manual Release Folding Knife 2.23. Sorry guys, 20.3 centimeter full length. The price is $8.52. The build is it is actually pretty sturdy. Better than the other knives that I have right now. This would probably freak out anyone who see it. I suggest not to buy this for criminal purposes, but just to buy it for a collection or something like that. Where I live, the max blade, I think it's 3 inches, but no one knows. So the knife, guys, the blade length is 8.5 centimeters. The dimension is 4.53 by 1.65 by 0.51 inches. The weight is 4.83 ounces, so you know it's pretty heavy. The blade, which I gotta clean now since I have my blood on there. Oh well. It's not pretty sharp unless you fully go like this. But it's a bit dull. It needs to be sharpened, but you have to be careful that you don't get the black part, the black paint off. So yeah, as I said, it is a knockoff of the Boker knives. If someone knows, can you comment down if it's made by Benchmade, the actual ones? Overall, the knife is pretty sturdy, as I already said, and the clip is very good. It's pretty heavy. The only problems that I have with this are, one, the bolt comes off. Came off the first time, but you don't have to worry if you do have it outside or something and it falls off. I don't think that the whole blade would fall off, but for it to fall off, you need the other screws also, which is here, here, and here, and same for the other side at the same places. And the other problem is the locking mechanism. If you see right here, flipping it like that, you will need to put some force onto it. It will feel like that it will break. I comfort you now that it won't, but you never know though. And the other thing too is it's plastic washers. I don't know if it's a downside or what, but and also where the lock sits right there, it sits at the very edge corner, so you never know when it's just gonna unlatch for you. But I guess that's all, guys. I'll see you guys on the next review. Hopefully you liked it, and see ya.